Ba Anna Brogan y tógáil rú tú club tennis in fir an úr. Smar sin, spec in nniuanach go dtí ín spòrs. Sfai full seach nuair a bhaid óg go raibh ar léis sciile leis rachgait.
I would say probably played my first tournaments around 6 or 7, and played in the county events, and I started winning, and that felt good, and I was surprised, and I could see that I was good in comparison to other kids. There was great county squads that were on kind of. I remember every Tuesday, Thursday I'd be at Scotstoun, and there would be training with all the best kids in the county, and then along with a great setup at Newlands, and then from there was then options to then start going up to Stirling to be involved with kind of the Tennis Scotland groups and things. So as a junior there was a good support network.
Her studie byrach an an dábhíle sa trídíag go bích Anna na sár cluicheadair tennis breachtainach. Go bríoch cálag gus an gem aice a leisachug haar na blianachin.
Yeah, Judy, very grateful for the time and support she's always given me, and when I was a wee girl she was still kind of working for the LTA and Tennis Scotland, so was lucky enough to have regular time with her on the court, and it was always great fun, always learning, always hard work, but in a very light and engaging manner. We always had a good laugh, but it was serious as well. It was pretty full on through my teenage years, and it got a little bit too much come 18. So yeah, I didn't play for a number of years, and yeah, it was a really good thing for me to kind of just have time away from the sport and grow up and do other things, get a normal job and studying things. That just that perspective is needed, or sport can be quite all-consuming.
A steigí an spòrs acalar san gris, chuirí coram becin meoracha go gheanú. Ha Anna anis cúna go gheanú, gun Chile go gemanin farpaseach. Gus feichgin décho sarvachal a dúd a híví. Ha lán fis aiche décho darf sa visa, ach go cínteach, ha talent is an focus aiche gus a chúsi gheanú.
Yeah, I'll be looking at getting on the road within the next month, and getting the matches in on the ITF tour, and it's for me it's just giving everything and leaving no stone left unturned, and the results will be the results, but for me it's really just, can I give my absolute best and see what I can do. I want to be competing at the highest level, and it's to do that I've got to be fully focused on giving everything to the process today and staying in today. There's no point in me getting wound up or thinking about what's happening next week when I need to be doing it the best I can today. Leave the results to take care of themselves.
Ha tennis breachtainach na ban a vís na neachgan na hiúngarid. A sé emar Vaticanú, farpis oscailte na stáisiún úniche a bhuanachug, ag díreach ochtíag. Ba Anna lua a níon og a bhallach son chomasadaini sa chúrs deirinach.
To be doing that at 18, so young, and to be taking everything in her stride so effortlessly, it's completely remarkable, and it's been documented. It's only her second professional event. It really is remarkable.
Thug tennis bui mhór ar bheithe Anna, sa ar son toiste rast don spòrs, le bhí a brosnachach a na gainealach de cluicheadair.
Yeah. And that's something I think about a lot, is how much tennis has given me, the people I've met, the places I've went to, but the coaches and mentors that have inspired me as well. I've been really lucky to have worked with some pretty phenomenal people who've had big influences on my life, not just on the court, just as a person, chatting to a lot of real knowledgeable, wise coaches and trainers, and I think one day I would like to coach, not at the moment, but when I'm finished with my own playing. It's something that, who knows what will happen, but to give back in that sense and help other youngsters on their journey.